morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about two-way preposition in German language. I welcome all of you in the school with a smile. Let's learn two-way preposition in German language. Yeah, these all are the two-way prepositions that we have in German language, starting with the auf, meaning it's on, top of, on, at, to. It may be confusing, but I'll clear one by one and you'll not get confused in that. This is very easy. Unter, below, under, below, in, into, to. Neben, next to, beside. Zwischen, between, hinter, behind, über, above, over, across. For, before, in front of. Yeah, now we see with the example and understand what exactly the preposition is. Suppose there are two houses that we have. Auf. If something is touching the base and it's just in front, auf. Just remember that touching the base, it should be touch. An, that is also mean on. If it's touching from upside, then auf. If it's touching from side, there's an. Like a wall clock on the wall, that is an. Yes. There is a book on the table, that is auf. If something is like this here, that is auf. If something is here, that is an. Neben, near. Yeah, beside. You can say that next to, beside. That is for. In front of. That is something inside. That is in. Hinter. Behind. Backside. Basically. That is über. It's above but not touching. That's über. Like sky, you can say that, not touching. Unter, under. Let's see with the one more example that we see. That is about zwischen, between. Between these two, that is zwischen. Let's see with the one more example that we have. Suppose in this. If something is inside, then is in. If something is touching here, auf. Touching here, an. Between, zwischen. Unter, below or under. Über, above but not touching. Neben, next to. Hinter, behind. For, in front of. Normally these all are the preposition we have, and how we, with these all are the two-way preposition we have, and how we check whether sentence is accusative or dative. Let's see. Accusative case, dative case. Wohin, where to. Accusative, basically. And dative. Accusative ke wohin, where to. A is action. By we have used, this is action that we show. Verb like gehen, fahren. D is dash. D is wo, where. Basically about the place they are to. Action verb like it, that verb that will change your place, like gehen, fahren. You start from somewhere and you reach somewhere else. For the dative case, wo, where exactly position. Where exactly your position now. Let's see with the example in the verb. Special verb. These are the special verbs. This side follow the accusative case. This side follow the dative case. Wohin, accusative. Let's see. Gehen, to going. Kommen, to come. Place change. Fahren, fliegen, place change. Sein, place where exactly you are. Like ich war beim Arzt. I was with the art. Haben, what exactly you have. And these four verbs have a different meaning according to the situation. I'll explain with the example and we just check it. Liegen, liegen, Sie sitzen, sitzen, stellen, stellen, hängen, hängen. Let's see with the example and how we make a dative and accusative sentence with that. Liegen und liegen. Legen und liegen. Let's see, this is the accusative and this is the dative we have. In accusative it means legen, to lay, place in horizontal position like this. If his action is happening, sie legt das Buch auf den Tisch. She is putting this book on the table. This touching is auf den Tisch. Die become then is a dative case. Tisch is dative. Tisch is there, become then. Putting like this. Sie legt das Buch auf den Tisch. There is an action. That's why we use a dative auf den. To lie. Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. 99% you can check with the subject. If subject is things, Sachen, then it would be a, normally it would be a dative case. Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. The book lies on the table. Stellen und stehen. To place, upright place in a vertical position. Like. Sie stellt die Flasche auf den Tisch. She put the Flasche, bottle, auf den Tisch, on the table. Stehen, to stand, to be vertical position. The Flasche steht auf dem Tisch. See, have you noticed that the like dative case, the subject start with the things, so there would be no movement, so then it would be dative. We use state, stand, and still in accusative the subject is a person, so there can be action in that. This is the hängen. Hängen, to hang up. Accusative, perfect, hart gehängt. Ich hänge die Wäsche auf die Linie. Subject, thing, person. Hänge die Wäsche auf die Linie. Wohin? If I already told you, if you start with the person, it can be action. I put the clothes, I hang the clothes on the Linie. Auf die Linie. Hängen, to be hang. Dative, perfect is hart gehangen. Die Wäsche hängen auf der Linie. Wo. Then it's die Wäsche. Start with the, not with the person. It's a dative case. Sitzen, sitzen und sitzen. Sitzen. Sie sitzt das Baby in den Kinderstuhl. Sitzen, dative. Someone else, sie sets das Baby. She just put das Baby in the Kinderstuhl. She is just sitting their child in the Kinderstuhl, and here das Baby sits in the Kinderstuhl. So here is the action with this. The person is doing action, then it's accusative. Sitzen, sitzen. When there is no action, no movement, then das Baby sits in them Kinderstuhl. Here there is a movement. Someone else is putting. Yeah, there is some short form that we have. In plus them is equal to im. Un plus them is equal to in plus das ins. Su plus their sur. Su plus them sum. For plus them form. This is form. V O M. Yeah. Now we check with the example whether it is accusative or dative case. Ich gehe Kaffee. Gehe is accusative verb. Then ich gehe ins Kaffee. Because in plus das ins. Kaffee is das ins Kaffee. Ich bin Kaffee. Bin sein. Sein verb is dative. Then im cafe. In plus das. In plus them, im. Their man leaked im Bett. Dative verb. Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. On the table. Dative. That's why them. Their man steht im Garten. Dative. Ich stelle das Buch ins Regal. Stelle. Accusative. Wir sitzen uns auf das Sofa. This is accusative. Ich hänge das Bild. I hang this Bild. Ich hänge. I am hanging, then it's the action. So it's accusative. An die Wand. Das Bild is a thing. Sachen. Then it's hängen. Das Bild. An der Wand. This is dative. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, you can write it below. You can subscribe to our channel School with a Smile, SWS School. Have a nice day.